open first and second strings. Between those two chords and B7, and a couple of other chords I'll point out. Summertime, when the living is easy, and we're gonna major key change to E major. The fish are jumping to A minor 7 to C, and the cotton, that's an A sharp diminished chord, is high, back right to B7. Your daddy's rich, yeah, and your mama, she good looking. So hush, G major 7 chord there, little baby, don't you cry. And there's a little solo. Back and forth between the E minor chord and the F sharp minor chord. And of course the B7. One of these mornings, you're gonna rise up singing. Back to that major. Yes, you'll spread your wings and you'll take to the sky. But until then, that morning, nothing can harm you with daddy and mommy standing by. Summertime, and the living is easy. Back and forth between E minor and B7. And then there's that major mode E, and the fish are jumping. And the cotton is high. Your daddy's rich, and your mama, she good looking. Hush, little baby, oh, don't you cry. Put E minor up here if you like. And the B7. B7 up there. I chose E minor because the guitar is in E. I think Gershwin actually wrote it in A minor. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'm Guitar Bobby. Message me if you have any questions.